Many diseases are linked to DNA instability, with misregulated R loops playing a key role. R loops are mixed structures of RNA and DNA that form when genes get turned on. They can cause DNA damage if they are not properly removed. Despite their potential to cause harm, R loops also play a positive role in our cells' health. Members of the 4R Research Training Group at the University of Mainz recently discovered that R loops promote the repair of telomeres. Telomeres are DNA structures located at the ends of chromosomes. With each cell division, telomeres become shorter until they are nearly gone, and the cells become senescent, which accelerates aging. By repairing telomeres, R loops can delay senescence and aging, and RNA therapies might be developed to support this process. However, there is a risk that cells with longer telomeres divide more often and become cancer cells. Therefore, research on R loops and telomeres is fundamental for developing effective and safe treatments. Learn more at 4rrtg.de.